What's up, y'all? It's your boy Pyro Sky coming back at you with another video. I know it's been a while since I have uploaded onto this channel, but it is what it is. If you follow my social media pages, you will know why. So, but we're not going to get into that right now. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a tutorial on how to DJ, and because a lot of you have actually asked how to become a DJ on here, what system to use, not system, uh, what programs to use and everything. So we're going to go into all that. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you're going to need to do is you need to make sure that you do have a stream. Now, what a stream is the pro, is the information that you're going to need for the people to actually hear you. So I actually use Pure Power Stream. So let's go ahead and go on down there. I'll show you. So all right, now that we are down here, I'm going to show you the one that I use. I believe it's over here. Yep, it's over here. This is the one that I use over here. Let me back up and I'll show you. Or actually, I'll just do this. I use this one, the 128 kbps with 100 listeners. It's 32 listens per week. But you do have to pay for a full month, which is 150, I believe. Let me double check. Whoops. Yep, it's 150. So, yeah, which ain't bad. And 100 listeners is a lot of listeners. I don't think any club's going to have 100 people there. If you want more listeners, that's for more of the people that send their stream out to others so that they can listen while they're at work or what have you. But I don't really mess with that. I just stick with the 100 listeners. So that's what I use. Now, when you do get the information, let me go ahead and go back over there. Actually, no, I got it in my inventory. When you get your information, it will appear in your local chat. You want to take the note card that it gives you and you want to paste that information over into here. This is what it's going to give you right here. This is the information that you're going to need for the preferences for the software that you use to DJ. When you see the land URL, that is your music website. If you send that to other people, that's how they'll be able to listen to it. And that's what you actually put into either a board or the land parcel, which I will go into after a bit. So anyways, let's go ahead and go into what software I use. It's a free software, so let's go ahead and jump up in it. Alrighty, y'all. As I said earlier, we're now going to look at the program. As you can tell, I'm back at Sunny Valley. I'm actually streaming now, so to kind of give an idea, I can't play the music that I'm playing, but yeah, this is the program, and you're going to need a LMA file, which all the links will be down below, including this tutorial on how to set it up and everything. Well, not tutorial, but it kind of describes on how to do it, where to go, and all that good stuff. So, and of course, you want to make sure that you do take and um, you want to make sure it's all set up. Where I said the information, you want to put it in the note card. This is where you put everything. Usually you want to stick with Shoutcast 1, and all you need is your host, port, password, and of course your website. So um, those are the main things. To go live, all you do is click onto this. It will give a little checkbox. But before you do that, you want to make sure that you do have music to play. All you do is, where I keep my music is on a hard drive. I just go to computers, E, music 1, Second Life DJ music, and I select the area, which right now I'm playing all my pop music. So here's all my pop music. You just click 1, hold down Control, press A, right click, and then Q to auto DJ Q, add to auto DJ Q top. And then, of course, when you do that, then you go to Auto DJ, enable it, and yeah. To work your mic, you must take and make sure your mic is working. Give me 1 second. I got to turn that on actually. Right here's your mic. You just you set it up, and whoops. Inputs, microphone 1. You set the microphone that you want to set it to. And then, of course, you want to talk. You just click it, and you can talk. So make sure you see where it was blue when I was talking. Hello, hello. You want to take and toggle it off where it's not blue anymore, and that means you're off the air. Or not off the air, but you're not talking on stream anymore. Quick pro tip: you want to make sure that you organize your music, as like how I've done. I've put pop, new music, country rap, country music, rock, all that, and then have one folder for like your DJ requests. Let's say someone comes to you and is like, "Can you play so and so?" You always want to play requests by that your audience wants to hear. If they want you to play a certain song, try to find it, try to get it, and play it. What I usually do is when I do, I'll download it and put it into a specific file. Or folder. I'll title that folder the day I'm DJing basically. So today it would be 4/26 of 2021. All my new music will go on there, and at the end of my stream, I'll take and put all the music onto there. In that folder, I'll put it in the correct genre. I always organize by genre. It makes things a little more organized and a little easier. Another quick pro tip is you want to make sure that you do play a lot of newer music instead of older music, because that's what's going to draw the people. If something's coming on the radio, or an artist just came out with a song, let's say it's a new I'm doing a country set, and a country singer just came out with a new song. You want to make sure that you play that song. You want to get it out there. You're going to want to play the newest music, the hot music, basically. Whatever is top in the top ranks. So it's okay to play the older music, but it's also good to play the newer music too. In order to put your stream in, many clubs do it differently. Down here is one of the most simple ways. All you do is you go to World, Parcel Details, Sound, Music URL, and you put your music URL into it. I'll show you. It would be this URL right here. So, if they're running a board, all you do is click on it. Just talk to the managers. They'll help you with that, get you set up with it and everything. So you always want to engage with your guests. That's a huge thing. Actually, let me go ahead and stop my music real quick. Which set am I playing on? Okay. You always want to make sure that you're what was I saying? Oh, engage with your people. Promote your host. If you have a host, promote them. Be like, make sure to show some Linden love to my awesome host. He or she has been working so hard to please y'all. If you're looking for a VIP tag, make sure to hit her or him up, and I'm sure that they would be glad to assist you. VIP tags, usually you don't hand those out. Your host will, but just in case, yeah. So that's all I got for now. If you have any more questions or any more concerns and you want me to go more in depth on something, make sure to let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do a part 2 video. The next video that I'm going to be doing is going to be how to host. So it's a little bit easier. They're the ones kind of talking to the people, welcoming, and all that. So anyways, I'm going to try to get videos out on Mondays, each Monday around noon. I'm not going to, don't hold me to that, but that's what my plan is. That's what I'm trying to do. So we're going to see how it goes. I've got a lot of videos already pre-recorded like this one. So yeah. And until next time, I'm out, y'all. Peace.